Ay, ay. Yo, bitch, she calling me Lotto. I got my bread like the Lotto. Bitch, I be smoking gelato. Keep me a Glock and some hollows. Bitch, I be sounding like Rollo. Keeping that shit on the down low. I know that bitch be a thigh hoe. Fucking little bitch and I follow. Yo, bitch, she calling me Lotto. I got my bread like the Lotto. Bitch, I be smoking gelato. Keep me a Glock and some hollows. Bitch, I be sounding like Rollo. Keeping that shit on the down low. I know that bitch be a thigh hoe. Fucking little bitch and I follow.
Welcome to the channel. It's Spazz the Don. Yeah. So today we're gonna be doing cooking with Spazz the Don. If you didn't know, now you know. I really do know how to cook really well. And I got a sous chef, Adriana. What's your Instagram name?
Adriana Diva. No spaces, no caps.
So follow that. If you didn't hear it, it's gonna be down there, right. Just go use. Yep, you get it. But so we're gonna be cooking some rice, beans. We're gonna make chicken and beef empanadillas. All right. So I'm gonna show you some of the ingredients we got: rice, beans, oil, beef, cheese. We got these diced peppers. You know what I mean? We got some raisins. I'm gonna show you what that's for later. And all of our seasonings here. Garlic, onion, adobo, salt, sazon. You already know. And then we got our chicken boiling here. That way we can shred it up for the empanadillas. And these right here. Look, y'all see them? Boom. Can't forget those. Yeah. We got the rice cooking here. If you guys don't know how to make rice, for every cup of rice, you put a cup of water. Right now I have 4 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. I also have some oil and some salt in here, just basic white rice. I usually add garlic. We got the beef cooking now. We got some raisins, some peppers. We're just letting that brown up a little bit. Then we're gonna add some seasonings. So we get that, boom, the rice is cooking. And over here, we got Adriana chopping up the chicken so we can season it, get it prepared. Once your rice water is gone, we're gonna lower the temperature to a 2. Just let it cook. We got this still browning up in there.
All right, guys, so now your beef is cooking. You got your peppers, your raisins. What are you missing? The seasoning, the spices, the most important thing. So we're just gonna go. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna season it. You guys can vary how you guys want to or not. But yeah, so I'm gonna use 2 of these right in here. All right, got that going. Got some pepper. Some pepper over it. Adobo. Not gonna add salt, we're not gonna do too much. We got some garlic and some onion. Garlic and onion, twins, all right? Sisters, whatever, cousins, gemelas del diablo. So I add this Cajun, you see it, boom, get in it. Just a little hint. I like it, like I said, you guys don't gotta season it like I do, but that's what you use. I'm just gonna mix it all up, get the seasonings going, in with the raisin, which is gonna give you that sweet and like salty type of feel to them. This is looking good. Wish you guys were here to smell this, because the smell, woo. Right, Adriana? Right. Right, Adriana? Right. Adriana's still busy there, cutting up the chicken. I got some drinks going, you know what I mean? Who can cook without a drink, right? But yeah, once that's done, I'm gonna show you how I season the chicken. Now the chicken is gonna be like chicken and cheese empanadilla, whereas this one is just gonna be basically beef. So it's all up to you. We're also making it with rice and beans on the side, just to give it like a dinner type feel. But yeah, so stay in it.
Hey guys, so now the chicken is shredded. Thanks to Adriana. Look at that.
I got one later.
Ooh! Now we gotta season it. Come over here. All right, show them your seasonings. garlic, onion, Cajun. Now, with the chicken, we don't want to season it too much because the cheeses that we have, like this one and this one, mostly this one has a really strong flavor, so we don't want it to be like too crazy. So, I'm gonna add some onion to it, yeah. Some Cajun. Let me turn y'all a little bit.
I'm missing
Oh, good.
because it's too.
Oh, right. Oh, all the stomach, just all out. Just, yup. Look at, oh. All right, boom. So then we're gonna put this in there.
Why are you whispering?
Because I have to get down low for them. So.
So when you're low, you gotta be quiet.
Yeah. Did I put garlic? Nope.
Yes.
I put onion.
Oh.
No more garlic. So yeah, now we're gonna just mix that up, you know, let it marinate or whatever. And once that's done, I'll get y'all back on the video so you can watch us do the empanadas. Empanadilla, tú sabes. We're gonna show you how to fold them and get them prepared. So I hope y'all following my steps, cause if not, I swear to God. Oh my God.
What'd you do?
So you're just gonna embarrass me on YouTube?
Yeah.
It popped. All right, it's all over the floor, all over me. So when I come back, I'm gonna have a new fit. Yeah. Mix the seasoning with the cheeses in there. It just makes it easier.
Fill it with beef. Now there's people here that only put a tiny ass bit of beef inside of the empanadilla, right? So I'm gonna show you what I do that gets you a way bigger one. No, we're recording. Yeah, rude ass. Rude ass. Rude ass. You fork the edges, like the edges, just like that, you see? Just like only the bottom. That's good. And when you get to the top like this, you're gonna pick it up and shove all that down. Yep, you all see all that space there? And then you fill it back up, close it up, and it's gonna look like this. You just throw these motherfuckers inside of the oil and you got a dinner.
So you're gonna be frying them like this. Our rice is done, our beans are done. Those are frying, and this is what they should look like. Oh, get in these. Shout out to Ray. Guys, and this is the finished.
Shut it off and subscribe.
On that note, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so anytime I post a new video, it goes directly to you. Yeah, I say bye.
Bye. Now shut it off.
Yeah.